Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 6 minutes. Plus you can free download this template and the illustration from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use. So let's start, but first be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more of my latest videos. So let's begin. The first thing you're going to do, as always, is open up a blank slide and go to images. And I have provided a link to this illustration that I'm going to use. So we're just going to crop out the text and we're going to use it in our template. Put it into the middle on the right side and change the background color using eyedropper using the background image color. So this is how it looks right now. The next thing we're going to do is you can also use a texture, but in texture you can change the color. So we want the color to be the same as our illustrations color. So we're just going to use the same color in the illustration. Now close the format background panel, and the next thing we're going to do is insert a text box right here. What we're going to do is make a curved line shape like this using the curve align option. Remove its fill and give it a color using your eyedropper. Duplicate it, and then we're going to put it onto the same shape and change this fill using the illustration's other color. So I'll just opt for a lighter fill. So let's go to more fill colors and give it a lighter fill from there. The next thing we're going to do is draw a same curve like shape which covers the bottom entire part of the template. We're just gonna select it and we're gonna join the ending part with the starting part. We're going to duplicate it and then send it to the back and then change its fill to as same as we used for the background darker shade. We're just going to rotate it so that it looks more realistic and changed from the first of the shape. So we can rotate it in this way because that illustration is visible that it is an image. So we're just going to rotate it to the right side. Next, what we're gonna do is insert an image of a cloud. You can download this cloud from flaticon.com, or you can also use other websites. So I'm just gonna give it transparency of 70 to 80%. And we're just gonna put it in the background right here like this. Duplicate it and put one right below as well. We're going to duplicate our image and crop it so that this tiny sparkling particle is visible. We're going to crop it more so that the other remaining part of the purple background is not visible because we only want the twinkling star-like structure, and we're going to just put it on various positions by duplicating it, and then we're going to give a circle and give it an outline of the purple shade and the lilac shade, and we're gonna remove this fill. Next, we're gonna insert a text box, and in it we're gonna add our navigation instructions or buttons. So this will add a more realistic and a more suitable look to your template, which make it look more professional for those who are viewing your template. So we're just gonna add some navigation buttons. You can use hyperlink or you can insert URLs in these text box to make your template further interactive. And I have made several videos on how to use hyperlink or the URL. You can check them from my YouTube channel. You can also give more transition using more templates in it and adding some more content. So let's continue. The next thing we're going to do is make out a logo. So I'm just going to use a random logo just as placeholder for the real logo. Let me tell you that you can free download this template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use. So let's continue on our template. We're just gonna duplicate the circle. We're gonna insert another text box for the title, increase its size and change its fill. And I'm gonna use white for the fill, and let's just increase its size, and you can make it bold if you want. The font I'm using is Calibri Body, and we're gonna insert a subtitle, and the font I'm gonna use is ambi like something like ambiboli. We're gonna increase its size and change its fill to white as well. Duplicate the first of the title box and we're gonna move it downwards right here, and let's just give it a fill of the same as we used before. Now we're gonna insert our content text. So let's just remove the part that we don't want, and similarly we're just gonna use it. We're gonna change this fill to white as well, and then cut out other part, and we're gonna put it right here, adjust it and insert a round corner rectangle right here, and make it fully rounded. Add one word in each, such as explore or buy or anything like this, or learn more. You can also write that. So we're just gonna change this fill so that our text is visible. I'm gonna use a lighter color, and for the text I'm gonna use the darker background purple color. So this is how you make this template. One thing is remaining. We're gonna duplicate this round corner rectangle, move it right here to fill out the space, and we're gonna insert some other text like sign up or login or anything else like this. So we just want to cover this space as well and not leave any spaces. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. You can download this free template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use for your personal purposes. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this video. Be sure to comment down as well.